Namaste to all the lovely and beautiful people out there, all the way from this beautiful city of Thailand with me, Garima Bhandari. Today's practice is dedicated to all the people who have an intention to take care of their own body, own mind, a lot of good intention and gratitude to all the people in your life who serve you, and to let go of all the distractions, the pains you must have encountered in your past, and letting all the positivity, positive energy flow through your body and mind. So let's begin the practice with the spiritual invocation of the chant Om. So hands in the prayer position to your heart and shutting your eyes, taking a deep breath. Inhale and exhale with the chant of Om. And opening your eyes with a calm smile on your face. And from here, you sit down straight, weight pressed onto the floor, deriving the energy from the earth, taking an inhale and opening your Anahata chakra, the heart chakra, and opening up to the sky. Gentle cat cow stretch, seated on your mat. Exhale to curl up your spine and inhale. Exhale, slowly warming up your back. Inhale and exhale. Moving from here into a seated Vajrasana, the only asana which can be practiced right after your meal. So even if you're time pressed in the mornings, you're rushing for your work, you don't have time for a full practice, I highly suggest that after a long day at work, just hold on to your mat, and with an intention, set an intention for a practice, and just take out this 10 minutes, come on your mat and saying a big hello to your own self. And opening your back, just slowly moving on to Balasana. From here, resting your chest on your thighs on the shins, toes pointing outwards, and forehead on the floor. Any anxiety, any stress that you have seen throughout the day, just letting go of all that. Breathing here. One more inhale and exhale. Really melting down and feeling the sensation of your breath reaching all the way to the lowest part of your rib cage, from your shoulders, transferring all the way from your diaphragm to your lungs, and exhaling out and feeling the energy of this exhalation into each column of your vertebra and your mind. And from here, let's do a gentle twist in our spine, opening our entire back and also stimulating a bit of our abdominal organs. So from here, place your right hand on the left knee, fix your vision towards the back, deeply stretch, outreach, hips on equidistance, and relax. Inhale, we do this on the other side. Opening the other side, doing a good stretch on the entire spinal column, and come. Neck rotations, clockwise, counterclockwise. Lifting up the entire neck, shoulders. Just stretch behind like this, or take your elbow from the right side of your earlobe and try to interlace your fingers from the back like this. Now there are two kind of rotations that are happening in your shoulder right now. One is the internal rotation of the left arm, dropping it forward and back, and other is this external rotation of your right arm, interlacing the fingers right behind you, opening the shoulders completely. It is okay if you're a beginner and you're not able to grab your fingers at the back. Just let it drop to wherever your natural range of motion allows, and just flow into the practice nice and easy. Sthiram Sukham Asanam. Patanjali Yoga Sutra says no pushing. Yoga is not about contortion or aping somebody else, following your own body, the guidelines. Your body tells you when it is prepared to move forward, and just relax. Take a deep breath. Once again, movement of gratitude. Close your eyes. And once again, smile on the face. Just come back to the center. Just a nice, easy, quick yoga flow, working on your whole body and mind. And remember, breathing is the most important part of our asana practice, the pranayama, the energy that we put in throughout all the chakra, the energy chakras through our body, invoking a very positive flow of energy throughout the body, throughout the mind. And breathing is something which is really portable. You can take with you anytime, anywhere, and there is no yoga if there is no breath. So understand your breath, breathe well, eat well, sleep well, practice well, and with a good intention, come on your mat every day, and happy practicing. Bye guys.